we are looking at our new products. So this year we are focused on GBRs. So there is our new MWS system GBR, which is Aeronox fully licensed AX15. So you can hear all compatible with MWS system. Mag, all the things MWS spec with a very unique handguard and the ambidextrous of the selector and a very unique grip, right? And the straight trigger. So next is this year is our biggest thing focused on is a Daniel Defense fully licensed DDPCC gas blowback. So because the real steel is shorter than normal AR-15, so we decided to like real steel, so we shorter than AR-15s. So the bow carrier group may be not similar like others MWS rifles, but we were thinking about to maybe compatible with other MWS guns. So this is the first, maybe the world first, first EVO mag. So after this product, we can do a lot of new things around these mags. Yeah. So under fully licensed, so we have the DD stock and the DD grip and the DD charging handle. Yeah. So the next, also the Daniel Defense fully licensed MK18. Yeah, this is the simple one. So for the final release, we will change the stock and the grip to the Daniel Defense one. So also MWS compatible. Also have good laser marks here. Yeah. The next one is the biggest thing, I think. It's we call the DWS 180. It's a Double Eagle weapon system 180. So which means it's a shortboard weapon. Like there. So we use our own system, but mostly based on Tokyo Marine or MWS. Yeah. So you can use TM spec magazine and TM spec lower and affordable stock. So let me show you the internal about this gun. Here, we have a Z plate and a removable bar to front, but other things is compatible with TM. Yeah.